Alright, let's break these up into prime factors. Angela, in the numerator, is there anything you want to break up into prime factors? So I'm going to repeat all of this, right? It's okay? Did you guys notice that I put them all in one fraction? They're all in the numerator, all by multiplication. The fancy word is the commutative property of multiplication. Angela, 20 breaks up into what? Any others? Why should we not choose 4 and 5? What do you see in the denominator there? Yeah, so this is a hint that you should choose what? 10 and 2. I'm going to keep that 10. Angela, should we break up that 8? Raise your hand if you did something similar. Doesn't have to be exact. Class, do you see a 3 on the bottom? Do you see an M on the bottom? You see it? I'm going to send you to the nurse. N squared, you see something? Oh, sorry. Do you see an M on the bottom?
No.
Same paper's on yours, right? There are no M's. How about N squareds? One N squared for one N squared. Any M's?
No.
Tens?
Yeah.
110 for 110. Twos?
Yes.
Alright, are there any numbers in the numerator?
No. I know.
Okay, how many M's? M to the third. So remember, in exponents, same base, you add them. So if you're taking the SATs this weekend, same base, you add the exponents. That's because of multiplication. Any numbers in the denominator?
Yes.
What are they? Variables? Anything else? This is our answer. Raise your hand if you got that. Now let's do our restrictions. Put your fingers on the variables on the original problem. N not equal to 0. 3n squared not equal to 0. You don't have to do all of it. You'll realize it's the same. Now, some students yesterday were confused. What do I do here? Guess what? It's an answer. Why didn't I what? If I did, what would happen? It would just do 8 divided by 0, which is what? Still 0. Same thing over here, divided by 3. N squared not equal to 0. Take the square root. N is not equal to... Do you write plus or minus 0? No. And if they're the same, that's okay. That basically just tells us that N can't be 0. Why? 0 times 8, 0. 0 times 10, 0. 0 times add 0. Something divided by 0 is?
0.
You get 0 on your quiz. Undefined. Make sure you look at your formula sheet. Anything divided by 0 is undefined. If you get confused, put that in your calculator.